Okay, students, our next topic is correlation. And what is correlation? First of all, you know about this. Correlation is also a statistical measure that indicates the extent to which two or more variable fluctuate together. Okay, इसमें क्या होगा हमारे पास two or more than two variables क्या करेंगे? They will be fluctuate. There is no dependent and independent. इसमें दोनों variables की value क्या होगी? Change होगी. And we can say that is covariance. is एक साथ ही दोनों values change हो सकते हैं. Maybe they will increase, maybe both the values will decrease, and maybe one is increase and other is decrease. Clear? And there are two types of correlation. The first one, when the variables are going to both the variables are going to increase or decrease together. That correlation is known as direct or positive correlation. Okay, and if one variable tends to increase and other variable decrease, that correlation is known as negative or inverse correlation. So there are two types, keep it in your mind. One is positive correlation, in which both the variables is increasing or decreasing. That is known as positive correlation. If one is increasing, one is decreasing, that is known as negative or inverse correlation. Okay, as you can see on your screen, the coefficient of correlation, how can we find? The formula is r is a relation between them, summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by summation x minus x bar square into summation y minus y bar square. This is the formula of correlation between two variables. Here we are using two variables x and y, and we will find the relation between them. Please note down this formula first of all. And what is x bar here? We know what is x bar. Who will tell me what is x bar? We know about this x bar. So what is x bar? Anyone, all of you? जी आयशा जावेद, what is x bar?
सर मोड होगा उसका.
X bar, not a mod. जी उमर आसिफ, what is x bar?
सर ये अरिथमेटिक मीन होगा.
जी ये मीन होगा x की वैल्यूज का. ओके, सम करेंगे x की वैल्यूज को और फिर डिवाइड करेंगे नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज. वेरी नाइस. एंड सिमिलरली y bar, दिस इज आल्सो अ मीन ऑफ द वैल्यूज ऑफ y. ये भी उसका मीन होगा. ओके, वो हमें पता है किस तरह से हम निकालते हैं. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड हाउ टू फाइंड द मीन. So please note down this formula first of all. The coefficient of correlation r is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by the square root of summation x minus x bar square into summation y minus y bar whole square and then square root. And we can see to find this relation we need the values of x bar, we need the value of y bar, x minus x bar we will find, y minus y bar we will find, and then multiply them. And similarly in the denominator we need the values. हम उसकी values को find out करेंगे. For example, we have a question, this one. The question is find the coefficient of correlation between these two variables x and y, and the values of x and y you can see, and please note down these values x and y. So x is this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Y is 7, 13, 18, 23, 24, 29. Now keep the formula in front of you and see what we need to find. First of all, what we need to find, क्या हमें चाहिए, और how can we complete the table, वो भी आप देख सकते हैं by focusing on the formula. को देखें और देखें कि उसमें सबसे पहले हम क्या find out करेंगे. और किस तरह से हम अपना टेबल कंप्लीट करके उसमें तमाम वैल्यूज को पुट करके वी कैन फाइंड द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन बिटवीन x and y. How can we find? So first of all, as we have seen in the formula, we need mean of x and y. So you can see on your screen, this is the formula of mean to find x bar. So how can we find? First of all, sum the all values of x. When you will sum it, it will becomes 42. Please check it. And after that, find the sum of all the values of y. It will comes 114. The formula is very easy to find the mean. How can we find? X bar is equal to summation x divided by n. N mean how many values of x? You can count it. It is very easy. These are 6 values. And similarly, find the mean of y values. And this is also very easy. From here, we can check the mean of x values is 7 and the mean of the y values is 19. Next, we need to complete the table. Okay, please first of all note down these values of x and y, and also note down what is summation x, summation y, and what is x bar and y bar. So the next is, you can see the table on your screen, and the formula of correlation of x and y is r is equal to, maybe I can write on the screen, I will try to write it here, so we can easily see what we need to find. R is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by x minus x bar square and square root into y minus y bar and its square. Okay. So x is given, y is given. What is next? What is the value of x bar? X bar की value क्या थी? अभी हमने find out की है. And what is the value of y bar? Check it. Value of x bar and y bar. The value of x bar is 7. And the value of y bar is 19. Okay. We will use these values. So first, check करें formula में हमें क्या चाहिए? We need x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Okay. And then their squares we need. So first of all, x minus x bar find out करें. जी find out करें. How can we find? This is very easy. X is this, and what is x bar? That is equal to 7. So minus करते जाएं, and then you can easily find the values of x minus x bar. I hope it is clear for to all of you. Similarly, we can easily find y minus y bar. And how can we find? This is also very easy. Y, these are the values of y. And what is the value of y bar? That is mean is 19. Subtract करें and you can easily find out. So what is next? We also need the square. So we can easily find the square of this one. That is equal to this. Square all the values of x minus x bar. This is the fifth column. You can see x minus x bar square. And similarly, we can find y minus y bar whole square. You can see it this one. So this we have find out. This we have find out. The last thing is left, multiplication of these two, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So this is x minus x bar, this is y minus y bar, and last one is the multiplication of both the values. For example, minus 5 multiply minus 12 is equal to 60 आ जाएगा, minus 3 multiply minus 6 18 आ जाएगा, and similarly we can find out all the other values. Clear? Now we need the sum of these values. So when you will sum it, please find the sum. You will see this is equal to this one. This is the sum of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Clear? And we also need what we need. I think I have missed something. What I missed in the formula? Yes, I think I have missed the summation. Here is a summation. Here is a summation, and it is also a summation. Before this, here is a summation. This one is a summation, and also here is a summation. Okay, यहाँ पे submissions हैं. So find the summation of x minus x bar whole square, that is equal to 70, and similarly the summation of y minus y bar square, it will come 322. Now it is very easy to put the values of all of these values in the formula, and we can easily find the relation. How can we put? You can see in the next one. Please note down all of these values to put in the formula. When we will put the values in the formula of correlation between x and y, you can see, just put it and simplify it. The relation will comes r is equal to 0.9858. Also keep it in your mind, the values will always come between -1 to 1. The range of the correlation is always between these two values, -1 to 1. Just students, any question about this? If you have any question, you can ask me. Students, if you have any question about this correlation, you can ask me. This is very simple. You know, we have already learned about mean. In this formula, there is a mean, there is a deviation we know, the sum we know, and the other things, that is very simple. The formula is very simple to find this correlation. So if you have no question, I will assign you one question right now that you need to solve, and the question is this one, as you can see on your screen. The values of x is given, the values of y is given. Now you please find the correlation between x and y. What is the correlation between x and y? वो क्या होगा जिससे हम find out कर सकें and the value is increasing or decreasing, or one is increasing, other is decreasing. Please find out that relation. And if you have any question, you can ask me, and if any problem, you can share with me.